Hello friends, running kimono here very early in the morning on Saturday, October the 7th, and we're looking at the final day of my Walgreens where we're looking at deals with the 20 back when you spend 45. This one is today only, which is Saturday the 7th only. And it's capping off the end of the My Walgreens week. And yes, it is stacking with the 15 back if you have not used it. Now, with the 20 back when you spend 45, you can either do this as a curbside or you can do it in a store, and that percentage should stack for you in store. So you pick if you want to go in store or if you want to do this as a curbside offer. I know a lot of you are about the curbside shopping, so we're looking at this today with some curbside deals. Pick how you want to do this deal, and let's remember IVCs, you have to also factor that in along with the 15% to get you to that 45 mark. It's kind of tricky, so sometimes curbside is a bit easier for you guys. And also, like those little paper boosters, like 9 back when you spend 40 coming out of the Catalina machine. Have not seen one this week, but you could possibly stack that as well if any are printing. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, would really mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, completely free to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can save more money. I would greatly appreciate it. And let's dive into the deals, guys. Okay, so deal number one, very easy deals. So we need our friends loaded 20 back when you spend 45 and the 15%er. And these are also both of a one-time use, just to note that. So pick the deal you want to do very wisely. We're going to throw in 4 of these 4-packs of the Cottonelle for $19.96. They're on sale this week for $4.99. And I know that some people swear by this toilet paper. We have this digital coupon, which is a $2.50 off a 2. Shopmium also has the same rebate, so you can apply for that for an extra $2.50 back. We're going to also throw in 2 of these Osteo Biflex for $31.99. It's on a buy one, get one free promotion, so one will be free. I also have a 7 back when you spend 25 on health and wellness. That expires, I think, in November, so I'm going to get an extra $7 back for that one. I also have this digital coupon, which is a $7 off of one of those Osteos. So if you have joint and pain, this might be a great deal for you, just to show you everything. Now with this one, I did use the code WAG10, but I wanted to make sure I was at a $45 balance after that $4.24 was used. So I'm well past 50, so the math really balances, because customer service would love to tell us, oh, you used a percentage off code, you didn't hit 45. We're not giving you your 20 bucks. They love to do that. So that's why the math is a little bit more here. So the subtotal is $51.95. Let's just figure that out again. So that is $47.71. Free curbside pickup, tax $9.50 in manufacturers. So pay $39.51 with your debit card, and you're getting back $34.65. For the 20 back when you spend 45, the 7 back for 25 on Osteo, and the 15%er back. And then let's not forget to also photograph your receipt to the Shopmium app for an extra $2.50 back. So just a great little basket. All right, so now we're looking at deal number 2. We need our 2 best friends loaded, 20 back when you spend 45, and the 15%er. So for this basket, we're going to grab 4 of the Axe body washes, and I had to Frankenstein like a cent of this, a cent of that, 2 of these, because people are hitting this really hard. Load these 2 digital coupons, $5.99 off of 2, and a $7.50 off of 2 as well. We're going to also grab 2 of the Tides, so a Tide liquid for $12.99 and a Tide pod for $12.99. Load the following digital coupons, a $3 off for the pods and a $3 off for the liquid. Just to show you, I did use codes for this. I used Fall Clean for an extra $3 and then WAG10 for an extra $5. So the basket is $49.94. Let's just do a bit of math here. 405. That's actually $45.89. So we're going to get still, spend 45, get back 20. We're okay with that. Free curbside pickup, we have $2.75 right there of tax. We have $19.49 in digital coupons coming off. That is called Not Too Shabby. So with your debit card, pay $29.15 and you're getting back $27.35 in Walgreens cash. If you're not factoring in your tax, it's pretty much a free basket. Like to get tied for free. It's totally what it's about. Very, 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 very good deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 3. You need your 2 best friends loaded, 20 back when you spend 45, and the 15%er. I will miss the 15%er. I'm going to miss saying that. Okay, so for this one, we are going to grab 3 of the Walgreens brand razors, 1 of the Walgreens brand toilet papers, and 2 of these body washes. Again, I had to keep Frankensteining body washes 2 cents per. You might have to do the same. And then 2 of the it's called Wash Black, that one, 2 of the Axe body washes. And then we're grabbing 2 of the fancier Pantenes at 12, and then 1 of the cheaper ones at 5. They're on a promotion this week of buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. In store, it's with a register reward. You're going to need to load your Axe coupons that we've shown you, the $5.99 off of 2 and the $7.50 off of 2, along with this $5 Pantene. I'm not going to show those Axe coupons again, but you know what they look like. I've shown them already twice. Here is your savings. I did not put a promotional coupon in this one like WAG 10 or whatever. There isn't one. So $7.50 off. We have a $5.99 off of 2 and then a $5 off for the Pantene. Subtotal here is $45.50. Curbside pickup is free. A bit of tax. $18.49 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $29.74, and you're getting back $34.87 back in Walgreens cash, making your basket for free. You got some shampoo and some body wash and a little bit of happiness. So this is a very good deal. I know a lot of you can't use the code WAG10 or it just never works doing that sort of thing. So that's why we kind of went with a deal not using any promotion code, and that is this one. The final deal that we're going to look at is everybody's favorite. You need your 2 best friends loaded. Again, 20 back when you spend 45 and our 15%er. And your best friend is this, the Oral-B IO3 for $79.99. A lot of you were really excited by this deal yesterday. So we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $10 off. A lot of you were saying, you know, this would make a great Christmas gift. And to that, I say absolutely. I think that would make a great gift. So just to show you, I put the code in WAG10 for an extra $7 back. I think yesterday it was a lot more, like 20 some dollars. So you pick whichever day you wanted to do this deal, but $79.99, $7 coming off. It's not going to affect your $45 total. Free curbside pickup, tax, digital coupon. You're going to have to pay $67.37 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $15 for the purchase of 50 of P&G for this toothbrush, plus your 20, and then the 15% back. So you tell me if this is a good deal or not. I mean, it is a deal. Factoring in the tax, I think it makes this guy like $16. So you go from an $80 toothbrush to $16. I think that's not too shabby. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, with this last day of the My Walgreens 20 back when you spend 45, today is the last day to make this happen and make it happen. Why not? We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.